Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Have you ever wanted to jump back into the old days of Clash of Clans, perhaps before all the newer updates changed things up? It's a common desire, but Supercell doesn't officially support older versions of the game. So, you can't just download a vintage Clash of Clans from your app store. But don't worry, there's a unique way that many players are rediscovering those classic experiences, and it involves something called private servers. So, what exactly is a private server? Think of them as unofficial, fan-made versions of Clash of Clans. These dedicated communities and developers create their own servers that often replicate older game updates, sometimes even adding custom features you'd never find in the official game. They run completely separate from Supercell's own servers, meaning your progress on a private server won't affect your main account. It's like a whole different nostalgic playground. Finding a reliable private server does require a bit of searching and caution. You'll typically start by looking online, perhaps for Clash of Clans private server, followed by the specific update you want to relive. It's super important to be careful with any downloads. Only use trusted sources to avoid malware or scams. Checking out dedicated forums or communities can really help, as they often have reviews and direct links to the more stable and reputable servers out there. When you finally dive into an old Clash of Clans private server, be prepared for some variety. Each server is unique. Some strive for near-perfect historical accuracy of a specific patch, while others might introduce completely new units, spells, or even custom commands. While it's exciting to revisit those older versions, remember these are fan-made, so you might encounter the occasional bug or a bit less stability than you're used to from the official game. It's all part of the unique experience. Before you rush off to explore these nostalgic worlds, there are a few important things to keep in mind. These private servers are completely unofficial, and Supercell does not endorse or support them. For your safety, never, ever use your actual Supercell ID or official Clash of Clans login information on any private server. Just use a throwaway account if one is needed. Play responsibly, have fun, and enjoy stepping back into the glory days of Clash of Clans.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.